All right, team, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. We've got an exciting project on our hands, the development of a cutting-edge smart PDF to data converter. But here's the twist. We're steering away from conventional OCR methods and delving into the realm of generative AI. The objective here is to engineer a system that exudes intelligence. We're talking about leveraging machine learning algorithms to enable autonomous learning. This means our converter will continually enhance its capabilities, becoming adept at interpreting and converting PDFs of varying complexities. In simpler terms, we're tasked with building a converter that not only demonstrates intelligence, but also exhibits self-improvement. It's an intriguing challenge, but one we're well equipped to tackle. So let's rally our resources and embark on this journey into the frontier of AI-driven document processing. Let's delve into the details of our approach for the PDF Converter project. We've got some exciting strategies lined up here. First off, we've got what we call the big idea. It's about creating a PDF converter that goes beyond the ordinary. We're talking about turning even the messiest PDFs into usable data thanks to cutting-edge generative AI. No more fussing over those old-school OCR headaches. Now, why is this such a game changer? Well, picture this. Everyone's buried under piles of PDFs, right? Our tool is a real learner. It picks up new tricks as it goes along, getting better with each PDF it encounters. Yep, it's like having your own personal PDF guru that just keeps improving over time, all on its own. Next up, learning on the job. Imagine a tool that doesn't just convert PDFs, but actually gets to know them inside out. The more it works, the smarter it gets, handling even the trickiest formats like a seasoned pro. Filling the gap, now that's a good one. We're not just creating another tool for the sake of it. There's a real need out there for a smarter way to handle PDFs. We're talking about saving time, reducing errors, and all without needing a tech genius to manage it. And finally, the big picture. It's not just about building a tool. It's about transforming how we deal with digital documents. We're turning static PDFs into dynamic, accessible data, constantly evolving to meet the needs of our users. So, in a nutshell, folks, we're on a mission to make everyone's life a bit easier when it comes to dealing with PDFs. It's all about leveraging smart technology, learning from experience, and ultimately making the digital world a more manageable place. How does that sound? Here's a condensed explanation. 1. Start, the process begins. 2. User uploads uploads a PDF. 3. Validate PDF format, checks if PDF is valid. Valid stores data and returns success. Invalid returns error and ends. 4. Load layout analysis model, loads model. 5. Run inference, analyzes layout and extracts masks. 6. Identify regions, identifies text table regions. Yes, returns identified regions. No, handles error, returns error and ends. 7. Display data, displays extracted data. 8. User selects data point, user interaction. 9. Provide feedback, captures feedback and updates data. No more feedback, ends process. In essence, it's about uploading PDFs, analyzing layout, extracting data, and capturing user feedback for improvement. Certainly, let's refine it. Let's dive into the use cases for our PDF converter tool. For the accountants, our tool transforms piles of invoices and financial reports into neat, manageable data, eliminating manual entry and freeing up valuable time. For researchers, simplifying data extraction from academic papers, our tool shifts focus from data entry to discovery. For legal pros, our converter makes sifting through legal documents a breeze by making them searchable and editable. For small business owners, acting as a virtual assistant, our tool handles invoices and customer info PDFs, allowing more time for business growth. For HR teams, streamlining recruitment and record keeping, our tool ensures smooth operations and reduces errors. In each case, our tool aims to cut down on grunt work, reduce errors, and simplify PDF tasks with just a few clicks. Certainly, here's a concise and precise explanation. Let's talk tech. Our PDF converter is powered by some serious heavyweights. First up, deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. These brainy tools learn from every PDF thrown at them, thanks to their flexibility and power in Python. Speaking of Python, it's the universal language of our project. With libraries like pandas and NumPy, our data dances just the way we want. When it comes to text extraction, we've got OCR libraries like Tesseract or EasyOCR as our backup singers. They handle those old school scans like pros. For the heavy lifting, we rely on cloud platforms like TensorFlow Cloud, AWS SageMaker, or Google Colab. They offer the computational muscle for model training ready to scale as needed. And finally, our user interface framework, whether it's Streamlit or Dash, ensures a seamless experience, simplifying the PDF to data conversion process with just a few clicks.